Hello, in this video I'm gonna quickly check if you can recharge the other brand phone with your iPhone 15. So here I have the Google Pixel 7 Pro, and let's plug this cable to the iPhone 15 and also to my Pixel. And as you can see, I can recharge my Android phone. And if you want to do like reverse charging from the Android to the iPhone, we can try it also. So first plug the cable to your Android phone, and then the second end plug to the iPhone. And as you can see right now, we are charging from the Android phone to the iPhone. And yeah, that's how it works. Hope you like it.